Want to fix no service SIM card problem on Android? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is turn on airplane mode for at least 1 minute. For that, go ahead and enable the airplane mode. Once it has been enabled, you want to wait for at least 1 minute. After that, you want to turn off airplane mode. Now check if your issue is resolved. If it's not, then open up your settings. Now tap on connections. Then tap on the option of mobile networks. Now select network mode. You want to select that to 2G only. After that, again tap on it. Now tap on LTE 3G/2G option. Next, head back. Now tap General Management. Here tap on Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Go ahead and select the Reset Settings option. Once that is done, you want to restart your device. After restart, this issue will be fixed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.